Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I will be demonstrating how I created this Nautilus Pour using a dish strainer. And if you stay to the end of the video, you will see the close-ups of the wet and the dry results. In the description box below this video are detailed hints and tips for the technique. I call it the keys to success. I hope you check that out. But before I get to the painting, I would just like to send a special shout out to Lenny Kibble. She has commented on every one of my videos. She's the loveliest person, and she happens to be the first person to give me a super thanks, which is like a tip jar for your favorite artist. So Lenny, thank you so much for doing that. If anybody else is interested, I believe this is a new feature of YouTube for any channels that are monetized. At any time you can go and give them a tip. Or give them some cash to help support them. So I've put a little description of that at the very end of this video if you're interested in doing that. Of course, if you're part of the live premieres, you can still do super chats and super stickers to help support your favorite artists. But this is a way that you can support them even when you're not on the premiere. So before I do anything else, I also want to say that our normal Choo Choo Tuesdays premiere train is a little off schedule because instead of going last, I'm actually going first this time. So Lori Houston Art will be going directly after me at her normal time. I've jumped in front because of a scheduling change for me. So don't lose the train. I'll put the link to her premiere in the description box also. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy. Hello everyone. So I'm going to do another strainer pour. The hotel owner that commissioned me to do paintings for each of his hotel rooms is really enjoying the Nautilus pours and the flowers that I'm creating. So I'm going to keep going and do a couple more in that vein. So I'm going to do one of my favorite color combinations. This is Amsterdam Burnt Umber and Amsterdam Sky Blue. So I'll put them up here so you can see them together. And then this is Joe Sonia's Pale Gold. Look at these colors together. I love this color scheme. It's going to be so cool. I'm not sure how these are going to react when they go through the strainer together, but I think it should be fine. And as a flow extender, I've got some Amsterdam Titanium White. So we're going to go ahead and get started with layering our split cup. And I'm going to put the gold in the center this time. All of the previous ones that I've done on camera, I've put white in the center. So this time I'm going to use gold, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. There we go. Nice and full. And then I think we'll put the blue on the left-hand side. Sky blue. That's such a pretty color. And then that burnt umber kind of chocolate brown color will go on the far right. So these paints are very, very thick consistency. They leave a mound on a mound on a mound. I believe I showed that in a couple of my previous videos, so I don't feel like I need to repeat that again, but it is a very, very thick consistency. And we do it that way because when the paint goes through the little strainer here, all those little lines, if the paint were thin, it would really, really blend, and we'd come out with just kind of a muddy color. But because the paints are thick, when they come through, it holds some of the colored intensity. There will be some blending no matter what I do, but this should give us, that thick paints should help keep that color going. Oh, I can't talk tonight, my goodness. So next we put down a base coat.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today. Just wait and see. Blue skies everywhere, believe you me. It's gonna be a fine day today for you and me. Oh, now baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long. But baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a good day for us. Oh! Whoa. Now, baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long. But baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a fine day for us. Fine day for us.
Okay, we're going to use a piece of string to find the center. Just dip it corner to corner. It leaves a faint little line, and it helps you find the center. But it does self-heal fairly quickly, so you have to move fast. There we go, just like that. Good. Now we're going to do a ring pour in the center, and as we go, we will turn slowly. And then once all the paint is in the out of the cup, then we'll spin it a little faster to spread the paint. So here we go.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart
So here are the wet results of the blue and brown and gold Nautilus pour. I think it's beautiful. I hope you like it too. I'll take you in for a close-up. Lots and lots of air bubbles, which is really weird because I mixed these paints 48 hours ago. So there should not have been that many air bubbles. It's weird. But that gold has created a sparkle all the way around. Every bit of this painting is going to glow and be reflective. I love how right on the edge, there's a little hint of blue starting there and coming around. Really, really nice. I love how the gold forms the lines there too. It's really pretty on this edge. This section right here is just beautiful. Look at that. And of course, always the centers. The centers are just spectacular. I love that 3D nature of it. So there we have it. I hope you enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and stay tuned for the dry results. So here we have the dry results of my blue, brown, and gold Nautilus pour. I think this is the most Nautilus of the ones I've done so far. That brown spiral right there definitely looks like a Nautilus shell. And I love how the blue and brown played together. It didn't make any weird colors. The gold is so reflective and beautiful. I love that. And all those little air bubbles created this interesting little texture and details of cells that I really like too. I think this turned out fantastic. I love the center. I always like the center on these Nautilus pours. But yeah, these colors played really, really well together. Let me take you in and just kind of go around the spiral here for you. That gold. I brought it out here and I've got it in the alamanda shrub here because this is the best place for me to catch the sun at the moment. Rainy season has begun in Costa Rica, but I'm in the garden catching the sunlight as I can. Oh, hey Starbuck. What are you doing, buddy? You come to check out the art too? Or are you on the hunt for some geckos? Hi, buddy. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. And come back and see me sometime.